Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant black screen on launch in Windows 11. The first thing to try is switching the game into windowed mode. As soon as you launch Valorant, press Alt plus Enter or F11 on your keyboard. This can force the game to display properly if the black screen is caused by a full screen issue. Once you can see the game, open Settings, go to Video, and set the resolution to your monitor's native resolution. Save the changes and restart the game if needed. If the problem continues, repair the game files. Close Valorant completely and open the Riot client. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then open Settings. Select Valorant from the game list and click Repair. The launcher will scan and replace any damaged or missing files. This process usually takes between 5 and 15 minutes. When it's finished, launch the game again. Another fix is to adjust the game's compatibility settings. Right-click the Valorant desktop shortcut and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. If Run this program as an administrator is enabled, uncheck it and click Apply. Try opening the game again. If the black screen is still there, return to the same tab, enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations, click Apply, and launch Valorant one more time. One of these methods should resolve the black screen and let Valorant launch normally. Thanks for watching.